Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mumbai location. It is from Maharashtra. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for ad operations in Games to Win India Private Limited. And if you see experience required for this job role, like 2 years plus experience required. And coming to the roles and responsibilities, like manage in-house campaigns, coordinate with various in-house teams and external partners, and manage existing ad network configurations and implementation, report any bad ads from partners while reviewing or testing games. These are some roles and responsibilities. Coming to the background and experience required for the desired candidates, like you have worked in an advertising, media agency, or mobile apps or games focused company before for tracking ads, and you have experience in working with ad servers or mediations or marketing channels like DFP, Google Ads, Facebook, Mopub, Iron Source, etc. And analytical mindset with good communication and interpersonal capabilities and able to work independently, and the candidate must be able to prioritize multiple assignments with a high degree of accuracy and function quickly in a fast-paced deadline-oriented environment. These are the some background and experience required for the candidates. Coming to the education qualifications, like the candidates should have graduate or diploma degree holder in science or commerce fields, or any other equivalent education background is preferred. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening for apps performance specialist in Google. Coming to the minimum qualifications required for this job role, like bachelor's degree or equivalent practical experience is required, along with 8 years of experience in advertising sales and 3 years of experience in the mobile apps industry and 1 year of experience in large customer sales. These are minimum qualifications required for this job role. And coming to the preferred qualifications, like 3 years of industry experience with a strategic understanding of publisher and advertising industry business models, and 3 years of experience in working in a function or company focused on mobile, e-commerce or gaming and working with apps, and experience managing digital advertising campaigns for large complex clients with proficiency in online measurement operations and ad networks, and able to deliver high quality results quickly in a fast paced environment, and ability to get involved to implement and optimize ad campaigns, and excellent organizational and analytical and communication and influencing skills should be there for the desired candidates. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for campaign specialist in Absolute Media. And coming to the job type, like about the job, like Absolute Media is a publisher marketplace enabling real-time media transactions between content writers and advertisers. And coming to the job description, like managing campaigns on a daily basis, programmatic demand optimization, PG deals or preferred deals or open auction or EBDA, deal enablement, video audit and display. This is the job description. And coming to the candidate profile, like the candidate should have prior experience on DV360 and any other leading DSP, ad operations by or sell side. And it is work from office, Mumbai or Ahmedabad, and it will be a full-time work from office opportunity. and interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for client servicing executive work in Alchemy Group. Coming to the job requirements, like 1 to 3 years of experience in managing influencer programming across multiple channels within a media buying, advertising, communications, marketing or public relations environment, and a deep understanding of paid social targeting, execution and measurement, and strong analytical skills with the ability to distill, synthesize and draw conclusions from multiple data points, and a passion for the influencer universe on all social channels. And the candidate should be proficient with Microsoft Word, Excel and PowerPoint, and bachelor's degree in marketing is preferred, and proven track record in outreach campaign strategies and in-depth knowledge of the social media marketing industry. These are some job requirements for this job role. Coming to the responsibilities, like plan and deliver influencer campaigns including paid amplification and measurement strategy across all leading platforms, provide input and craft quality proposals, presentations, pitches or reports, and build and execute business plans to grow the creator community, identify upcoming influencers and maintain excellent work and relationships with bloggers and influencers to publish content and maximize campaign exposure. These are some responsibilities for this job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for a conceptualizer in Mirchi, and coming to the job requirements, like the candidate should think and create content integration for brands, understand the brand's objective and brief and think creative solutions accordingly, think 360-degree solutions, ideas that can be translated to all the mediums like print, digital and radio, meet the interact with managers and understand their problem statement, present your ideas through effective storytelling by using supporting mediums like video and audio. These are some job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for paid media team lead in DigiChefs. If you see the job requirements, like the candidate should be educated or to degree level or equivalent, intermediate Microsoft Excel knowledge and skills, and previous work experience in a similar role, and smart, motivated, and results driven and analytical individual, and have the ability to multitask and work well within a team, as well as being able to prioritize tasks in a fast-paced environment, along with the ability to accept interruptions as part of the routine. These are some job requirements. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for manager marketing in Sony Pictures Networks India. And coming to the educational qualifications, like the candidate should be postgraduate diploma in management with specialization in marketing. And if you see the experience required, like 8 to 10 years of experience in a consumer centric industry. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.